Guys, for today's video, si GoTime naman ang pag-uusapan natin. So, napag-usapan na natin yung mga ibang banks recently and what are their outlook for 2025. So, ngayon naman, tingnan natin, is GoTime already 2025 ready? Well, check natin yan, pag-usapan natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga features ni GoTime that is good for 2025 and yung mga things na we need to watch out when using GoTime. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, sige, brief background muna tayo with GoTime. So, GoTime is a digital bank. So, it is a partnership between Gokongwei Group of companies and the Time Group. So, basically, si Time Group, siya yung international company. And then, here in the Philippines naman, ang kapartner nila ay si Gokongwei. Thus, Go for GoTime and Time for the Time Group. Yan. So, si Time pala guys ay kilalang digital bank na rin yan sa Africa. So, they expanded and partnered with the Gokongwei Group to build the GoTime Bank. Initially, merong stake si BPI dito kay GoTime, but eventually, nagkaroon ng news na ibinenta or ibebenta na yung kanilang stake or shares dito kay GoTime. Kasi nga, di ba, yung Robinsons Bank, binili siya ni BPI. Parang sister bank ni Robinsons Bank si GoTime before. So, basically, yan yung brief background na yan. Napaka-robust din and aggressive ng marketing and penetration ni GoTime. So, kung pupunta kayo sa mga malls na ang daming mga GoTime representatives na nag-aalok for you to open an account with GoTime. So, basically, ganun yung marketing strategy nila. So, GoTime's aggressive marketing led towards the 5 million user na ng GoTime. So, isipin nyo yun, from the start, 2 to 3 years ago yata yan, naging 5 million na ang users ni GoTime right now. So here are some features ni GoTime na napaka-okay at ganda pa rin for this year, 2025. So basically, their base interest is 4% per annum, meaning without any mission or anything na gagawin mo, yung pera mo na nilagay mo sa inyong GoTime savings account will earn 4% per annum. So, sa 4% per annum, ang kaparehas na interest rate ni GoTime right now ay si Cbank, which will be implemented on January 9. Also, si Netbank at 4% din. Good thing about GoTime is base interest yun. So, you don't need to do any mission. Basta ilagay mo lang yung pera mo, mag-earn na yan ng 4%. Next good thing about GoTime is that si GoTime ay may partnership pa rin sa mga Robinsons establishment or store. You can use your GoTime ATM sa mga Robinson stores and this would act as a Go Rewards Plus or card. So, instead na ipakita mo yung Go Rewards card mo or ilog-in mo yung Go Rewards app mo tapos papakita mo yung cellphone mo, mas madaling gamitin yung GoTime card to be your GoTime Rewards. Isa sa advantage using a GoTime card, in case nagagamitin mo rin siya for payment for this Robinsons establishment, magkakaroon ka ng times 3 na rewards point. And guys, itong rewards point na to, magagamit nyo to sa mga Robinsons stores din. Ako, yung sa akin, nakaabot ako ng 1,000 for 1 year kasi sa Robinsons kami nag-grocery. So, nakaipon and then last December, ginamit ko yung points pambawa sa grocery. Effective naman talaga yung points. However guys, sa mga Robinson stores nga lang siya applicable. Number 3 reason kung bakit maganda ang GoTime is that just in case na gusto mong mag-invest into US dollars, pwede kang bumili ng US dollars sa GoTime and ita-time deposit mo siya. So right now, wala pang ibang mga digital banks or online banks ang nag-o-offer ng US dollar time deposit. Si GoTime pa lang currently ang nag-o-offer nito. However guys, you must note na bibili kayo ng US dollar kay GoTime mismo. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito is that with their exchange rate, yun ang gagamitin mo. Hindi pwede yung,
ay, meron akong $100 dito on hand. Deposit ko dito sa time deposit kay GoTime.
Hindi yun mag-work na ganun. Basically, for you to get a dollar with GoTime is you have to exchange your peso in your savings account para maging dollar time deposit. Kung magkano yung exchange rate na sinabi nila, susundin mo yung exchange rate nila. At the same time, pag nag-mature na ang inyong dollar account with GoTime, you also don't have the capacity to withdraw it in dollars. So basically, kung i-close mo na or i-terminate mo na yung time deposit mo, mag-convert back yan into peso at a prevailing exchange rate. Pang-apat na reason kung bakit okay gamitin si GoTime is that nagsimula ng mag-roll out ng mga sariling GoTime ATM machines. Hindi katulad ng Maya, Cbank, Tonic, etc. na walang sariling ATM. Di ba ang reason naman kung bakit doon tayo nag-withdraw sa ATM machine ng bank natin is para makatipid tayo sa interbank charges, di ba? Mag-withdraw lang tayo sa ATM, magagastusan pa tayo ng magkano? 15 to 25 pesos. So si GoTime, meron na kahit papano, though hindi pa ganun kadami, na mga ATM machines. So these ATM machines are powered by Euronet. However guys, kailangan po ganito yung maging itsura ng ATM machines bago kayo mag-withdraw for GoTime na walang extra charges. Panglimang reason kung bakit okay si GoTime this 2025 is that merong capability kay GoTime na mag-deposit ng check online. Hindi mo na kailangang pumunta ng branch para mag-deposit ng check or magpunta ng cash-in center para mag-deposit ng check. Gagamitin mo na lang is yung cellphone mo, pipicturean mo yung cheque, and then hintayin mo na masubmit and maklear yung cheque bago papasok yan sa inyong bank account. Konti pa lang ang banks na nag-i-implement nito. As far as I know, si East West meron ng ganito. Hindi ko lang alam yung iba, like BPI or BDO, kung meron na ring online check deposit. But, ito lang masasabi ko. Sa lahat ng digital banks, si GoTime pa lang ang merong check deposit. Additional good thing about GoTime, pang-anim natin yan, is yung future product nila, which is ilalabas nila si crypto, ayan, and yan si consumer credit. So, ito yung target nilang ilabas na product this year. Basically, parang na-launch na rin nila in terms of telling people na ito yung ilalabas nilang product kasi it was announced via their Facebook page. And also guys, yung interest rate na 4% as a base interest, tinaasan ni GoTime ngayon to celebrate the 5 million users of GoTime. Mas mataas ngayon si GoTime yung interest rate niya versus kay Cbank na 4%. What are the things that you should watch out when using GoTime? So basically, merong free bank transfer si GoTime before. Now, magiging free na lang yan if you pay one bank transfer. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Ang sabi nila dito is pay one and get one. So, pay 8 pesos for bank transfer and you will receive a free bank transfer. So, yan na yung bago nilang sistema in terms of bank transfer. Wala tayong magagawa dyan kasi it's a business decision. Kailangan nilang kumita or maybe yung cost ng bank transfer hindi na nila ma-shoulder and instead na ibigay nila lahat, kahit papano, they're shouldering part of the cost ng bank transfer. Ang sanang ginawa na lang ni GoTime here, in my opinion, is that instead of 8 pesos, ginawa na lang like 4 pesos per bank transfer. Ako mas ma-appreciate ko pa yun na 4 pesos per bank transfer kasi paano kung isang beses lang ako nag-bank transfer? So, nagbayad ako ng 8 pesos and then hindi na ako nag-bank transfer for the next month. Alam niyo yun, hindi ko ma-avail yung free. At least, etong 4 pesos lang per bank transfer, sabihin natin, may charge. Pero kung titingnan natin, medyo maliit lang naman talaga yung 4 pesos compared with other. Ang alam ko, pinakamababang bank transfer is 8 pesos bukod sa free bank transfer. Sa palagay ko guys, mas okay na maging 4 pesos na lang siya per bank transfer instead na pay one, get one. Ewan ko yun lang ang point of view ko. Number 2, si GoTime, medyo affected na rin siya ng mga text link. Yan, yung mga SMS. So, kasama na si GoTime sa mga ini-spoof ng mga hackers na nagsasend ng text messages with links. So, yung GoTime na official channel ng Pantext, napapasukan na rin yan ng mga text hijackers. So, medyo mag-ingat din po kayo when reading SMS message na galing GoTime. Yan, make sure na wag po kayong magkiklik ng kahit na anong link. And lastly, and it's a good thing din pala, you have to note na yung cash-in option with GoTime remains 2 free cash-in per month sa mga partnered merchants. So, mga partnered merchants is yung mga Robinson Supermarket, ayan, yung mga No Brand, and 2 beses siya. So, kung sa supermarket kayo, that's up to 20,000 pesos per month. So, buti naman na hindi pa to tinatanggal or binabago because kahit papaano naman na yung 20 pesos, biglang kailangan nyo ng digital money, magagamit nyo si GoTime to cash into your GoTime account and, di ba, gamitin for your digital transactions or what. Okay, so basically, yan yung mga features na i-implement ni GoTime this 2025. And also the things that you need to watch out when using GoTime. Okay, for our question of the day, ano sa tingin nyo yung compelling benefit or features ni GoTime na mapapagamit kayo dito sa GoTime Bank? Ayan, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at CramJTV 0109. Sabi niya pa, shoutout Lods, hindi pa ako gumagamit ng Cbank pero maganda pa rin siya. Hintayin ko na lang makakuha ng 1,000 para sa referral code. Hehehe. At CramJTV 0109, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!